question. Shalom Galore. How should we deal with our close family member who wronged us repeatedly? After we try to explain to the person that we felt hurt, the situation did not change and sometimes get worse. Should we just try to avoid the person completely?
Yes. Yeah.
How to not bear grudge against the person?
I mean, if you try to with the person, there's no grudge. For example, somebody. I'm just making up an example. Actually, it's a story from somebody, right? So somebody got abused in childhood and everything that, and the person had all the bad memories, all the friends. I mean, the person is married now, kids, and so we told the person just move out, move to a different neighborhood, not the town, like somewhere else, when nobody knows you. And person actually followed up on this advice, and he said, so all of this, like people said, like he had to visit the family. I don't know, with some celebration, whatever it was. And again, all of these people, even though it's 20 years later or 30 years later, so bad memory came up. But when he was away, like a different city, wherever he lived, so there's no bad memories. So I mean, it's easy not to have grudge because we have so many things going on every second of our life. We don't even think about this relative, about this boys that abuse this guy. He's a father of three. Like, you understand? So you'll forget if you don't have contact with that person. You'll forget that there's no grudge. Understand? So and we try to be again normal people and don't think about the night at night what this guy or this lady, my aunt, my uncle did to me 20 years ago or 5 years. Let them live their life. We try to talk to them. We try to reason to them. We try to bribe them with whatever. They did not listen. They did not want to take our bride. So okay, what can I do? I did my part. Because many times just so you know, money works the best. And you just offer a person money, you become friend, like Asaph, right? So, and that from Asaph, from this encounter between Yaakov and Asaph, we will learn many things, how to conduct with the nations of the world. Right? Of course, you pray, but you give them gifts, and many times, like they left us alone and did not kill us in a long exile. Why? Because we bribed them. Not because they were such a nice people that loved Jews so much. Not because of that. So same with close ones. So if you can bribe them, give them money, gift, whatever, just make them happy, do that. If it's not working, so just move away.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.